Brittany, and I am back again with another video. So before we get into this video, make sure you do me a favor and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when we are on your screen. So today, y'all, we are doing another DIY for my baby 2-month Christmas pictures, y'all. She is turning 2 months tomorrow, which is going to be December 15th. And I'm so super excited, y'all. I think I'm going to make this a monthly thing where I take her pictures monthly. Depending on what season or what holiday it is, I'm going to try and surround her pictures around that. So we are getting her dressed for the pictures. Let me go ahead and let y'all see her. So here is Legacy. I put her clothes on. I did a onesie. And then we have this little set here. I don't know if I'm going to take pictures in this set yet, but we'll see. We're for sure doing this one for the Christmas holiday. Little skirt, a hat, and some little booties to put on her feet. But I'm putting her shirt on, and she is not happy, y'all. I just washed her up. She's not happy, but we're going to finish putting her stuff on, and we are going to go down so that you guys can see what we have this time around. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Her all dressed. Hooray for her pictures. Alrighty. Alright. Alright, down we go. Are you ready? No, mommy, I'm not ready. Leave me alone. A legacy, a legacy, a legacy, a legacy. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm sitting down because Legacy is not having it this time around. She is acting up. So I'm trying my best to let her go to sleep, and then I'm gonna try and finish these pictures, y'all. I have tried so much stuff, but this time around she is not having it. So I'm gonna put her to sleep, and then I'm gonna attempt to get back to it. And we're gonna see. Y'all, she acting 2 months. Rip her out the plastic because she acting way brand new, okay? I can't talk though. I only did it one time. This is my second time. So hopefully with her going to sleep, we're able to get a few good shots, y'all. I'm trying. Pray for me. Pray for me, y'all. But she's so cute in her little outfit. Ever so cute. So cute. So we're gonna keep trying. Y'all, we're gonna keep trying. Her got done with her pictures. Her spent some time with her daddy. And y'all, I think I wore my baby out because she took the longest nap ever. And now she's back up. She's going back to sleep. Legacy. Say hi to the people. Y'all, she is out. She's so tired. I think these pictures of some wearing my baby out. Hi, sweetheart. I'm so tired, guys. Y'all, look at her shirt. It's so cute. Scream. Play with the milk. Drink the milk. 5-minute nap. Drink some more and repeat. Look how she's looking. Y'all, she be looking so mean. But she not me. I'm not me. I'm a good baby. A nice baby. She full. She just got done drinking her bottle. She is at 2 months. And her is drinking 4 ounces. 4 ounces. So postpartum 2 months for us. It has still been a huge adjustment for me. I'm still adjusting. And I have been very tired, y'all. I have been so tired. Waking up every 2 to 3 hours is still a huge adjustment for me. My husband is working, and so I really don't depend on him to really wake up like that in the middle of the night. So it be just me and Legaci at night. And for the most part, I'm doing well though. These last 2 months, the kids are doing well as well. I don't really think it has been a huge adjustment for them, but like getting used to not making so much noise, or getting used to mommy having to lug a baby like everywhere we go, or their schedules not being able to be as free as they normally will, like with me taking them places and things like that, because my husband works during the day. And so overall, we're doing great. Postpartum, there are some days that are harder than others, but as far as like dealing with postpartum depression or anything like that, we are not dealing with that, which I am so grateful for, because I do see how it's easy for people to fall into postpartum depression. If you're not careful with your emotions and with your thoughts and things like that, you'll get consumed by feelings that are not true. So this weekend that just passed, I think I was having a hard time, and I kind of like said something like, it's not fair. And the truth of the matter is, with having a newborn baby, it's not going to be fair, or you're going to have moments where you don't feel like it's fair, because you're gonna feel like your spouse is able to have a little bit more freedom than you. And the truth of the matter is, he's not experiencing freedom because he's working. But on my end of it, because I'm with the baby most of the time, it feels like that. But most of the feelings that we feel when we're dealing with the baby, or dealing with an adjustment in our life, is going to feel like things are unfair. And so you just have to bring those thoughts and those feelings under subjection, and just correct yourself. Be free to apologize. And when you feel those feelings, feel them for that moment. Don't be afraid to just say, this is how I feel in the moment. I'm not afraid to say how I'm feeling in the moment. Although sometimes I will suppress my feelings a little bit, I'm learning to just let those things out. And then once I let them out, sometimes I'll be like, okay, Brittany, that was a little bit too much. And just, reel myself back in. And so 2 months we have made it through this journey. And overall, I'm super grateful. Like I said, some days are better than others, but we are trucking along. And overall, she's a good baby. She cries when she's hungry, when she needs her diaper change, and sometimes she does this little thing where she grunts a little bit. But overall, she is a great baby, and so she makes it a little bit easier. And honestly, when I'm away from her, I'm ready to come back to her. So having a break is not something that I really be wanting. So I love this little girl so much. She has definitely changed our lives. I have 2 16-year-olds, 1 14-year-old. My son will be 10 in January, and she is 2 months. So we're dealing with a bunch of different age groups. I literally just took my girls today to get their permit, which is so crazy. Their driving permit. And so that's another journey that we're on. We are journeying in so many different areas right now, with the baby, with 2 teenagers who are about to come out of high school, one that just started high school, one that is on his way to middle school. So there's so many different journeys that this Jones family is on, but they're all beautiful, and I'm grateful for each and every one of them. We love y'all. We're going to close this thing out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.